Hello everyone, and welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to turn off hardware acceleration on Discord. If Discord is causing lag, visual glitches, freezing, high GPU usage, or other performance issues, disabling hardware acceleration may help. So let's get straight into the steps. First, open the Discord application on your computer. Once Discord is open, look at the bottom left corner of the screen. You'll see your username and a gear icon next to it. Click on the gear icon to open User Settings. Now you'll see several different categories on the left side of the screen. Scroll down until you find the App Settings section. Under App Settings, look for the Advanced option and click on it. Inside the Advanced settings, you should see an option called Hardware Acceleration. Hardware acceleration allows Discord to use your computer's GPU to help improve performance and make certain features run more smoothly. However, on some computers, it can cause problems such as screen flickering, visual glitches, high GPU usage, or unexpected crashes. To turn it off, simply click the toggle switch next to Hardware Acceleration. Discord will then display a confirmation message telling you that the application needs to restart for the change to take effect. Click OK, Change, or the Restart option shown in the confirmation window. Discord will automatically close and reopen. Wait a few seconds for the application to launch again. Once Discord has restarted, you can go back to User Settings and open Advanced to confirm that hardware acceleration is turned off. Now use Discord normally and check whether the problem you were experiencing has improved. If you were experiencing graphical glitches, freezing, or excessive GPU usage, disabling this option may resolve the issue. If you don't notice any improvement, you can always return to the same settings and turn hardware acceleration back on. Also, remember that Discord's interface can change after updates, so the exact location of this option may look slightly different in newer versions. And that's it. That's how you can turn off hardware acceleration on Discord in just a few simple steps. Thanks for watching. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Discord tutorials and helpful PC tips. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. See you in the next video.